Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up and make use of the BB PRC indicator for MT4. Now, check the description below. You're going to see the link to download the indicator. Once you have done that, you head on to your indicators folder, file, open data folder, you navigate to MQL for indicators. You paste the indicator file in there. You head back to your navigator, right click and refresh. Okay. Once you have done that, you're going to find the BB PRC indicator right there. Just drag and drop it on your chart. Now ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. And as for your input settings, you can see that we have customizable values here for the B par, the B dev, the MA par, the MA meth, use alerts, alert bar, and alert slip. Okay, you can edit the values depending on how you want the indicator to function, right? The sensitivity of the indicator. So now this is how the BB PRC indicator looks like. It helps you to, understand rate of change analysis, right? Helping you to identify volatility shifts, momentum strength, and of course breakout and reversal setups. When you notice the red line break above this orange line, it can give you an idea that bullish momentum is about to prevail. So all you have to do is look out for bullish confirmation patterns on your chart. Could be candlestick patterns, could be chart patterns, but when you have the red line cross above the orange line, you should be looking out for buy opportunities. On the other hand, when you have the red line cross below the orange line, you should be looking out for sell opportunities. So in this case now, after we had the red line cross above the orange line, and then we had this bullish engulfing pattern, this would have been a good place to buy, right? Now, having bought there, of course, we have to set our stop loss below the swing low, and then your take profit can actually be around, a resistance zone. So you can see buying around here, selling, setting stop loss, of course, it has to be below, okay? It has to be below the swing low. Okay, so buying around here, stop loss below swing low, take profit around resistance, or you can decide to wait for when the red line crosses below the orange line and then you exit your buy trade. Then for the sell, you can see perhaps we would have sold around here, right? After we had this candlestick, we have sold somewhere around here. But then this was a consolidation phase. So as the price refused to drop, we should have just exited after the red line crossed above the orange. So probably this would have been a break-even trade, right? Because this was a consolidation. That's why it's better to trade in the direction of the trend. So only look for buy opportunities in a buy trend and only look for sell opportunities in a sell trend, okay, to be on the safer side. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so you do not miss out on more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.